In this video we're going to be replacing spark plugs on 2017 Toyota Corolla. Process should be identical on 2014 to 2019 models. The 4-cylinder, so it should be pretty easy. Start by removing this engine cover. And here we have 4 ignition coils, under them 4 spark plugs. We're gonna do one at a time. To remove ignition coil, this connector is in the way. I'm gonna unplug it for now. And it's 10mm bolt. And size spark plug is 14mm. Need to get a bit longer extension. And my spark plug socket has a magnet inside. We'll see how well it's gonna work. It looks pretty old, so I'm glad we're replacing it. Here's a new one, and it's exact same model. Gonna try to use a torque wrench, not sure if it's really needed. Torque specs is 20 Newton meters, or about 15 foot-pounds. That's good. Now I'm gonna insert the ignition coil. Secure 10mm bolt. Plug in this connector. And move to next. This one I'm not gonna do with torque wrench. That's good enough. You don't want to over tighten it. And I believe with torque wrench there is a little bit higher risk to over tighten it, so I'm not going to be using that. Half of them done, 2 more to go. This one's kind of tough to take out, so I'll unplug it. And insert the ignition coil. Secure 10mm bolt. And now we're gonna work on the last one. Gonna unplug this one. Take out ignition coil. And remove the spark plug. Now I'm gonna install final ignition coil. Secure 10mm bolt. Plug the ignition coil. Gonna install the cover. Now I'm gonna start the vehicle and check for codes. Everything looks good. Vehicle has 135,000 miles and spark plugs were never changed, so that's the first time. Toyota recommends changing spark plugs somewhere between every 60 to 100,000 miles. Obviously this one at 135,000 miles was way overdue. I'll provide Amazon affiliate links for tools I used in this video as well as spark plugs if I'll be able to find them on Amazon. Just make sure if you buy them on Amazon, make sure that Amazon is a seller, no one else, because there are a lot of counterfeit products available online and you definitely don't want to have counterfeit spark plugs in your vehicle. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.